What does LIFO mean for a debugging call stack? Imagine trying to solve a mystery where the last clue you find is the first one you need to examine. That's kind of how a call stack works in programming. When a program runs, it keeps track of all the functions it calls. Each time a function starts, it gets added to the top of the call stack. When it finishes, it's removed from the top. This order is called last in, first out. In debugging, understanding this order is super helpful. Think of the call stack as a stack of plates. The newest plate, or the last function called, is on top. When a bug pops up, the call stack shows you the sequence of functions that led to the problem, starting with the most recent one. If you see an error in a certain function, you can look at the call stack to see what called that function. It's like retracing your steps to find where things went wrong. The call stack is made up of frames. Each frame holds information about a specific function call, like local variables and where to return after the function ends. When a function calls another, a new frame is added on top. When the called function finishes, its frame is removed, revealing the previous one. This process keeps happening as the program runs. Knowing that the call stack works with last in, first out helps you understand how errors propagate. If a function crashes, the call stack shows the chain of calls that led to that crash. This makes it easier to find the root cause. For example, if you see an error in a function called C, the call stack will tell you it was called by function B, which was called by function A. This helps you see the bigger picture and find the real source of the bug. The call stack also influences how you approach fixing bugs. Since only one function is active at a time, you can focus on that specific function and its variables. If you have a recursive function that calls itself repeatedly, the call stack can grow very tall. This can cause a stack overflow, which is a common bug. Recognizing how the stack expands and contracts makes it easier to diagnose these issues. In summary, last in, first out is the rule that governs how function calls are managed in the call stack. It determines the order in which functions run and finish. When debugging, this order helps you trace errors back through the sequence of calls. Mastering how the call stack works makes it much easier to find, understand, and fix bugs in your code.